this whole town's insane. On the 31st floor, a gold-plated door will keep out the Lord's burning rain. Well, the scientists say it'll all wash away, but we don't believe it anymore, 'cause we've got our recruits and our green mohair suits. So please show your ID at the door. This old earthquake's gonna leave me in the poorhouse. It seems like this whole town's insane. On the 31st floor, a gold-plated door will keep out the Lord's burning rain. Well, a friend came around. He tried to clean up this town, but his ideas made some people mad. So he trusted his crowd and he spoke right out loud. They lost the best friend they had. This old